Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. So from today onwards, I will take your in this slot. I will take your math class as well as on the last period. I will take your science class also. Okay, and okay, so let your friends all join. I need to say one thing. All of you
Ma'am,
who are
today is 4 classes.
have 4 classes like the previous days. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Maths and last is science. These 2 class I will take right now, and afterwards, in between 2 more classes will be there. You got your timetable, I hope so. One thing I want to say. All of you have submitted the OMR sheets. All of you who presented over here, if submitted, please
Yes, ma'am.
no need to unmute.
Ma'am,
Please raise your,
yes, ma'am.
please,
Excuse me, ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Please raise your
Yes.
hand. Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. If you have submitted, no problem. Please raise your hand.
ম্যাম বলছি যে আমি আজকে সাবমিট করব হবে কি?
Yes, yes. Today is the last date. You should submit by today. By
Okay,
today
ma'am.
only. Okay, that's why I want to.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
My name is Shifa Noor. My screen was very looking bad. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. It's not perfect, but it's okay, fine. I think your phone is having some problem, right? You can see me properly, Sifa? Sifa, can you see me properly? Rest of the students who has not raised the hand, okay, means I think I hope that they haven't submitted their copy. Today is the
Can I turn off my camera?
yes, start. One thing, I'm just keeping you mute. Today is the last date to submit your OMR sheet. So by today, you should submit it. Otherwise, your copy will not be evaluated. Okay. Otherwise, your copy will not be evaluated. Okay. So I am going to start the class. Just wait for a while. Okay, so everyone sit with your maths copy. Sit with your maths copy. Everyone sit with your maths copy. I am going to share my screen. Okay, in the maths book, you all will open this chapter. Chapter 4 addition. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. I hope this is page 34 and 35. 35, all of you, 11 participants. Okay, everyone just lower your hand. No need to raise it now. Everyone lower your hand. These sums you need to do it in your, yes, I understand that your question is you will do it in your copy or not, right? So you have to do it in your copy. I am here doing it on the screen on the book, but you need to do it in your copy. And how you will write in your copy? How you will write in your copy? In your copy, first you will write CW and give today's date. Give today's date. Today is uh, 5th July. So today's date. Also, you will write chapter 4 and exercise A. Means this should be your heading. In the copy you need to write down. Write it fast. Write it fast. Very fast. This is actually this is sum. You all know addition is there. So very few sums I will do, and I will upload all the answers from here. Okay, is it clear? Rest of the sums you need to do it by yourself. Rest of the sums you need to do it by yourself. Okay. Now the first sum I'm starting. Yes, Abnur, any question is there? I hope so. No. 4, 8, 7, 6. Yes. Yes. What is your question, Sifa? Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write in copy, but write the questions or answers.
Answers how you will write. If you are doing additions, this entire part you need to copy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Because this is the addition, you need to copy the you need to copy the entire thing. Okay, so next sum,
Ma'am.
today we
And
will do from here to here, all the sums we will do. Okay, so if you are doing it fast in the copy, you will write like that. First you will put the heading, afterwards you will write like that, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. After that you will just copy the sum like this, giving a nice gap in between the digits. Okay, plus afterwards 6, 7, 8, 4. Like this way you need to write. Chapter 4a, like this way B. You would need to solve it on your copy. Very fast, within 10 minutes we will try to solve it. Much syllabus is there for your next turn. Okay, so we have to complete it very, very fast. I am completing it. You should solve it by yourself. If you have completed, wait for your friends to complete it. Then only we will proceed to the next. On the copy only you need to do, and you need to show it. Complete it very fast. Solve the sum very fast. And if completed, raise your hand. If completed, raise your hand. Okay. I'm just telling it once again. Just see to it nicely that suppose I am just doing this addition. Okay, so 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 is 4. I will write now. 14 means 1 4. This one digit I am writing over here. Now what will happen to 1? 1 I will write as a carry on tens place, and I will encircle it like the way I have done. Now, while we just add this column, that means all the tens place, we will do what? We will do add all these three numbers while I am just writing. Okay. So that means it will come as 6, now 9 and 5. Okay. And number names also we need to write. So we will write 5,964. Okay. So like the same way, B and C you complete. After a little while, I will show that what can be the answer. Okay. After a little while, I will show you what can be the answer. Okay, complete it. B and C. Complete it. Rohin, you understood? If yes, just show me a thumbs up. If all of you understood, you just show me a thumbs up. Like this in your camera. I can see you very nicely. Yes, yes, Arts, I have seen. The rest of the student is not showing me. Rito Prabhu is thinking, what is ma'am saying? Yes, Rafikul, I have seen you too. Complete B and C. I will tell the answers, but I am just requesting you to just solve it. Afterwards, I will show the answers. Means I will write the answers over here. Just 1 minute. While you are doing the sums, I need to check your routine because I think today there is art class. Yours and which section I need to just see. Whoever present in the class, today is the last date of submitting your OMR sheet. I already talked about it when the class was started, but if you haven't heard, this is today is the last date. Right now I am telling. Okay, today in your Monday, each Monday last class is you are having on arts and crafts. Okay, rest of the day means Tuesday to Friday you are having the science class. So today Shohun sir will definitely come for the arts class. Okay. I hope that you all have completed B and C. So I'm showing you the answers. This will be 10 and 1 will be carry on. So I will write like this and it will be 7, sorry, 7 and 9. So the while I am writing in what will be the writing one 9,770. 9,770. Okay, and this sum will be 0, 13, 1, and 4 and 5, 9. This words it will the names will be number names will be 9,000. Here the number names I'm writing in the top. 9,000, 9,530. Okay, so I am deleting my drawings from here. Here are few things I need to tell you. Here few things I am marking it. Few things I am marking it. This will be your homework. Okay, no need to upload it in the assignment section. Answers I will upload. Okay, this will be your homework. This will be your homework and write those things. This entire things means this entire all the sums whatever is there is your homework. Now in class we will solve this. We will solve right now. But you first mark the homework for today. First, you need to mark the homework. This enter all the sums and this sums. You mark it. Mark it down and solve it. These sums in your copy. Try to solve it. I will just share the answers. The sum is pretty same. Okay, I'm just giving you the attendance. No need to raise your hand right now. No need to raise your hand right now. Right now. I'm telling you, no need to do the 2A, B, C, D. You just solve it. I will just give you the attendance. Okay. I will show, I will explain it. Just let me give the attendance. If you can't do it, wait for a while. I will just show. Please just remove the bracket, whatever is there in front of your name. Okay, if I'm going to show any kind of bracket, I will not give the attendance. What is this? Why are you putting the brackets in front of your name? It is not needed. Okay, so I am telling you right now what will be the sum. So I am zooming it. I'm zooming my going to zoom my screen. So I'm just clearing all the drawings from here. These sums I am doing. Okay. So here first I will just take this. This will be 12. 1. Carry on is 1. 3, 4, 5. 3 and 7. This is the answer. A's answer. 7 and 15. Carry 1. Again, if tens place something is carry on, it will be carry on forwarded to the hundreds place. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So this will be your answers. Solve the sums. The class will be ended very soon. The class time is over. Sohail, you were not there in the class. Now from where you are just coming?